Have you ever wondered if machines could think like us, humans? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a concept that piques our curiosity and challenges our understanding of the world. It's about creating machines that can simulate human intelligence, sparking questions about AI's potential and its implications. Could machines ever truly think? What would this mean for humanity? The answers are as fascinating as they are complex. So, let's delve into the intriguing journey of AI's evolution. The genesis of AI traces back to the mid-20th century. It was in the 1950s when the theoretical foundations of artificial intelligence were first laid. The concept of AI was born out of the groundbreaking Turing test, proposed by the brilliant mind of Alan Turing. This test was designed to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent or indistinguishable from that of a human. As we moved into the 1960s and 70s, the focus of AI research shifted towards problem-solving and symbolic methods, paving the way for the development of the first rule-based systems. It was during this time that AI started to show its potential, albeit in a rather limited scope. Then came the 1980s, a pivotal era for AI. This was the time when the first neural networks were developed. These networks, modeled after the human brain, marked the beginning of machine learning, a subset of AI that would later revolutionize the field. These early neural networks were rudimentary compared to what we have today, but they were a significant leap forward. They allowed machines to learn from their experiences, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that were previously thought to be exclusive to humans. This was the dawn of AI, but the best was yet to come. As we entered the final decades of the 20th century, AI continued to evolve and grow, setting the stage for the technological marvels we witness today. As we stepped into the 90s, AI started becoming a reality. This era marked significant advancements in the field of artificial intelligence, with machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning taking center stage. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enabled systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. It was like teaching a child to learn from his experiences. The more data we fed these systems, the better they became at making predictions and decisions. Deep learning, on the other hand, took inspiration from the human brain. It created artificial neural networks that could learn and make intelligent decisions on their own. It was like creating a synthetic brain that could think and learn like a human, but at a much faster pace. Then came reinforcement learning, a type of machine learning where an agent learns to behave in an environment by performing certain actions and observing the results. It was akin to training a pet. The pet learns to behave based on the rewards and punishments it receives. With these advancements, AI-driven technologies like speech recognition, image recognition, and autonomous vehicles started becoming a reality. Speech recognition transformed the way we interacted with our devices. Image recognition helped in identifying objects, people, and even emotions in images and videos. Autonomous vehicles started navigating our roads, promising a future of self-driving cars. As we moved into the 21st century, AI started becoming an integral part of our lives. Today, AI is no longer just in the realm of science fiction. It's very much a part of our reality, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From voice-activated virtual assistants that organize our schedules, to sophisticated algorithms that predict our shopping habits, AI is everywhere. In the healthcare industry, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and patient care. In the automotive sector, it's powering the shift towards autonomous vehicles. And in the realm of entertainment, it's creating hyper-realistic virtual realities that blur the line between the digital and the physical world. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. As we move forward, the potential applications of AI are virtually limitless. We're talking about the possibility of conscious machines, AIs that can think, learn, and even feel in ways that mimic human intelligence. However, this brave new world is not without its challenges. The prospect of conscious machines brings with it a host of ethical implications. How do we ensure that these AI entities are programmed to make morally sound decisions? How do we protect against misuse? And most importantly, how do we preserve our own humanity in a world increasingly dominated by machines? These are the questions that will shape the future of AI. They're complex, they're daunting, but they're also incredibly exciting. As we stand on the brink of a new era, AI continues to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. So, we've traveled from the dawn of AI to its potential future, from its humble beginnings in the 50s, through the transformative decades, to the present-day marvels, and beyond. The journey of AI is a testament to human ingenuity, and as we move forward, the possibilities seem endless.